What is going on, everybody? Welcome to another In the Out episode. We're headed out to do a little solo truck camping out here in the woods. We're gonna be up here next to a beautiful mountain lake. There's gonna be geese honking. We're gonna have a great night. I'm gonna cook up some food, do a little dinner on the campfire, spend the night out here, maybe watch a movie, just enjoy the evening. Absolutely beautiful sunset, and hang out, get away, relax, chill, and do a little truck camping. So stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be a fun one. All right, y'all, check it out. Made it just before dark. Look at this. You can see it. Beautiful. I just got a view of it before the sun went down, but anyway, it's geez, probably 20 minutes from pitch black, so I want to get the fire set up. Get camp set up, and then we'll talk about what we're gonna do for dinner. So let's get this thing, let's get this fire roaring. Wow, how nice is it out here already? Just a fire and a lantern. Lake sitting down there. What a beautiful spot. It's a relaxing evening. Oh, you know what time it is? Time for a trusty Coors Light. Cheers, guys. Just another beautiful evening out in the woods, doing a little truck camping and hanging out by the fire, just relaxing and enjoying some alone time. What a beautiful night. It's just been pouring down rain all week, and come out here and do a little sunset by the lake with the fire and relax, man. So, well, I'm not going to show you guys yet, but I did get a good dinner. We're going to cook it on the campfire. I got a surprise to go with the dinner. Cook up some dinner, chill by the fire, probably watch a little movie, hang out and have a good evening. Stay tuned, guys. Well, I could probably sit here all night. It's a really beautiful evening. I can't believe how dry and calm it got, and it's pretty crisp out, but man, that fire's just roaring and it feels fantastic. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and start dinner. I don't know if I should cook it on the fire or cook it on the grill, because if I cook it on the fire, I gotta let it get down to coals, but it'd be a lot easier than getting the grill set up. Anyway, let me show you guys what I got for dinner. Surprise 1, surprise 2, surprise 3. All right, so here's the idea. We have these spicy mango jalapeno mango brats. So I picked up this creamy chili honey sauce. So I got creamy chili honey sauce to go on the spicy mango jalapeno brats that I'm gonna put on a fresh baguette, and we're gonna add some, I think it's the candied pork brown sugar, some brown sugar bacon from the deli to the spicy mango brat with the sweet honey chili sauce on the baguette. And to accompany that, we're gonna have some bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers. So I'm excited for it. I was gonna do Thanksgiving dinner because this week is Thanksgiving, but man, I was feeling like a brat, so let's go. I'm excited to have this one. It's gonna be this spicy, sweet sort of explosion, and let's get to it. We get away from that fire, and it is cold. Okay, so let's get this wrapped. Wrap up the poppers. Good though. Bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers. Alright, I think we're looking pretty much ready to go. I'll put the brats on, the bacon on, and the jalapeno poppers on, When they all get kind of close, we'll toast our bread, put it all together. I'm trying to think if I missed anything. I got the sauce. I was gonna buy cheese, but it seemed weird. So I'm going with the pork. Spicy mango jalapeno brats, the sweet chili honey sauce, the toasted baguettes, the bacon wrapped jalapenos, the Coors Light. We're living the life. All right, let's go get the fire ready. Oh, perfect. That'll work. Get our stuff on there as soon as the grill heats up. Man, I'm getting hungry. Stuff looks good. I think we're just about ready. Boy, that tin foil is gonna go up in flames. Maybe we don't do that next time. Oh man, that smells so good. I got a plate of meat. All right, I'm gonna go toast the bun really quick and grab the jalapeno poppers. Got those toasted up perfect. All right, let's go grab the jalapeno poppers. I'm pretty excited to eat that bad boy. It looks so good. And it's so cold out. Oh, I can't wait. Let's go. Sit down and eat this thing. Cheers, guys. Just a beautiful evening out camping. I'm really excited to try this spicy mango jalapeno brat, spicy honey chili sauce, baguettes, melted cream cheese jalapeno poppers. It's bomb. It's really good. And the bacon on there, oh, so good. Why do I always make so much food when I'm out here? So good. I'm so happy. It was a great combo. I'm gonna do this one again. All right, y'all. I'm gonna sit here and relax. Take in this fire. Probably turn the lantern down. See if I can put the rest of this down. I don't know, but just to really enjoy this and enjoy my meal by the fire. Hope you guys are enjoying the episode. Let me know what you think of the spicy mango brats with the honey candy bacon and the spicy chili honey sauce on the baguettes. Let me know what you guys think about that, and stay tuned, guys. All right, it's getting cold out there, but we got a heater. I think I'm gonna get my jammies on and I think I'm gonna put a movie on, get the truck nice and warm, lay back, chill, and then we might just fall asleep. But having a good time so far. Hope you guys are enjoying the night out camping. I don't know what we're gonna watch. We'll have to just pick one out. All right, let's try to find a good movie to watch here. Dog. I haven't seen Dog with Channing Tatum. I heard that was pretty funny and cute. The Covenant. Wow, 2 hours and 3 minutes. The Covenant. Guy Ritchie's The Covenant. U.S. Army Sergeant John Kelly. Afghan interpreter Ahmed Dar Salim. After an ambush, Ahmed goes Herculean lengths to save Kinley's life. While Kinley learns that Ahmad and his family were not given a safe passage to America. Now let's watch it. Let's fix this lighting here.
How's it going, TJ? Almost there.
I might warm it up in here a little bit too before we set the mood. Let's see here. Alright, got the heat on, cracked the back window a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and put the fan on low. Like always, guys, when I have my buddy heater on in here, I crack the windows and I have my carbon monoxide detector on. Fresh batteries in it. And I don't sleep with the heater on. I pretty much just get it warm. You know, you fall asleep nice and warm, and I just don't sleep with anything kind of fiery on.
Don't lick, squeeze, or pop anything. Jizzy, don't touch that pipe.
Oh, it's too dark. You guys gotta see this. You guys gotta see the sunrise this morning. Oh. So, 7 o'clock. Sun's just coming up through the mountains here. It just woke up and it's kind of dark to see in the truck still, but man, the sun coming up through these trees. It's like the sky's on fire. What a gorgeous morning. Eagles started yakking at like 4:30 and the geese were going, but it was really pretty. Oh, I gotta get up and get going early this morning though. I slept pretty good. Been having nightmares all night. I forgot my coffee cup. I think we should get up, make some coffee, enjoy the sunrise. It's so comfy. I don't know how cold it got. Oh, it's not that bad. The windows didn't ice up, so it wasn't that cold. 42. Yeah, not that bad. Alright, well, I'm gonna start the heater, watch the sunrise, and make some coffee. Let's make some coffee if I have a cup. Find out. Get this heater going. Oh, it's much better. Oh man, heat feels good. Can't believe I forgot my coffee cup. All right, let's see if we got everything to make coffee here. Right there. Give us a little bit of light. Get our coffee going. I think I have. You know what? We might have a coffee cup here. Alright, well that's what we got for a coffee cup. Hope it's not too hot. But beggars can't be choosers. Let's get this stuff made up. See what we got here. That's some hot coffee. Cheers, guys. Good morning. Whew, that's hot, hot. Whew.
Okay. All right. I'm not doing anything but drinking some coffee for a second. Pretty tired. All right, y'all. Well, I'm just gonna drink my coffee and stay warm. I get my pants on and get dressed, and then enjoy the view of the lake here and this beautiful morning. Get up and think about getting out of here. Anyway, cheers, y'all. Thanks for staying tuned. Not a bad spot to wake up. Look at this. Beautiful morning out on the lake. God, it's been gorgeous today. Sun's out. I actually spent a little while in the truck just watching YouTube and goofing around because the heat and coffee was so nice. But anyway, let's get fired up and get out of here. On to the next adventure. Beautiful morning. Man, what an absolutely beautiful morning. I thoroughly enjoyed that coffee and heat. I watched some movies on YouTube and the sun was coming up and the geese and the eagles were going, the lake was shining. That was an amazing morning. I had a really good night with you guys. Enjoyed the evening. It wasn't raining. The fire was fantastic. The lantern was great. Those brats were awesome. I highly suggest you guys try those. The spicy mango jalapeno with the sweet chili honey sauce on like a rough baguette like that with some candied bacon. Oh man, they were so good. I think things taste a lot better in the woods too. I don't know, or by a campfire. So, but I had a great evening. I fell asleep watching that movie. That was a really long movie. Passed out watching a movie and just had a really, really nice night. If you guys have never been here before, hit that subscribe button. You'll get notifications. Next episode comes out, we'll be doing some camping, working on the truck, going off into the mountains, running around in the TRD, going fishing, who knows. But we'll be getting in the out and exploring the outdoors, having a good time. For those of you that followed to the end and have followed me for a while, thank you so much. I appreciate all the comments, likes, shares. I read every one. I will see you guys down in the comments of this video. Go down there, let me know what you think. And until the next adventure, guys, I'll see you in the woods.